We all drink water and we all know the importance of water. पर फिर भी अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि आप still dehydrated हैं, जी हाँ, because drinking water alone is not enough. And without right nutrition, हमारे body के cells इस पानी को absorb भी नहीं कर पाते. And it is actually affecting our skin, our gut health, our energy, even our brain functions and heart functions. And today I'm going to reveal this missing link between hydration and nutrition, which has changed my own wellness journey. And just be with me in this video because this could actually change your wellness journey too. So what's the truth about hydration? Because हमको ये सिखाया गया है कि 8 ग्लास पानी पी लेने से हम लोग हाइड्रेटेड रहते हैं. But let me ask you one thing. Have you ever felt tired even after drinking lots of water? And maybe experienced dry skin, headache and muscle cramps? Because hydration is not about how much water you drink. It is about how well your body is absorbing it and retaining it at cellular levels. And that's where nutrition comes in. And without right balance of minerals, electrolytes and healthy fats, your body just cannot absorb and utilize water properly. And for years I have been deeply passionate about water, and that earned me few Guinness World Record as well in my research on molecular hydrogen. But as I continued learning, I discovered that water alone is not enough. Because जो काम हाइड्रेशन करता है वो न्यूट्रिशन नहीं कर सकता है, और जो न्यूट्रिशन कर सकता है वो हाइड्रेशन नहीं कर सकता है. But they both together can do wonders with our health. And that's when I discovered something really amazing, and that's test-based nutrition. Yes, just like we test our water, we can test what is happening inside our body. And I was so shocked to learn that 95% of population worldwide have severe omega-3 deficiencies, and which is directly impacting their ability to stay hydrated at cellular level. Now let's just get into the science. We all are made up of cells, and cell का जो outer covering है उसको cell membrane कहा जाता है, which is made up of fats. And if your omega-6 and 3 levels of your body are out of balance, ये जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन होता है ये स्टिफ हो जाता है, हार्ड हो जाता है, एक मोटी सी कोटिंग ओमेगा 6 की इसके चारों तरफ बन जाती है, जो रिस्ट्रिक्ट करता है प्रॉपर फ्लो ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन एंड वाटर इनटू योर सेल्स. आइडियली ये जो ओमेगा 6 और 3 का रेशियो है, इट शुड बी 3:1, but unfortunately most of the people today have these ratio between 20:1 up to 150:1. So the best part is now there is no guesswork. एक बैलेंस टेस्ट आता है जिसके थ्रू आप ये ओमेगा 6 और 3 के लेवल्स अपनी बॉडी के लिए, अपनी हेल्थ के लिए जान सकते हैं. By a simple blood test, you can actually, know your current health status. And then when you fix this imbalance, you can actually notice massive improvement into your health. So let's just get yourself tested also, or DM me balance and I will guide you through it. And this is just the beginning. In my upcoming videos, I will be sharing many health insights, real life transformation stories, and science-backed solutions and strategies to help you unlock your best health. And just remember, wellness starts at cellular level, whether it is hydration or nutrition. So subscribe now and let's just inspire the change in life.